is Dhananjay Khade and you are watching my YouTube channel English Developers. Now we are going to learn about one of the 8th standard poem 1.3. Trees are the kindest thing I know, it's workshop. English workshop. Question number first. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words, like A. Fun, B. No, C. Now, D. Sight, E. Fly. And answer ba fun, begun, sun, no, grow, now, cow, bow, sight, light, night, fly, sky, lullaby. This is answer. Question number 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. For example, and in the spring new birds of green. B. Spring birds of green. B. When a moon floats on the sky. C. And gather birds among their boughs. D. They are the first when days begun. E. They are the last to hold the light. Now come to the question number 3. Into the third question, the poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindest of trees towards other. And answer is first, trees trees spread a shade for sleepy cows, and second is they give us fruit. Third one, birds gather amongst trees boughs. Fourth one is trees do not harm, and fifth, trees give wood to build houses. Now come to the question number 4. Into this question number 4, find words that describe the following. First is cows, second one is new birds, third one is sun, fourth one is lullaby, and fifth one is trees. Describing words means a adjective, means like a sleepy cows, green new birds, morning sun, drowsy lullaby, kindest tree. Question number 5. Pick out lines that means the following. One is trees provide shelter for animals. Second, trees provide food for all. Third, trees are most lovable. Fourth is kids love to listen to song for trees. Fifth one, trees live a simple life. And answer is the first one is trees provide shelter for animals and spread a shade for sleepy cow. Second is trees provide food for all. Answer is they give us fruit in leaves above. Trees are the most lovable. Answer is trees are the kindest things. Fourth one is kids love to listen to song from trees. They hum a drowsy lullaby. Fifth one is trees live a simple life. Answer is they do not harm, they simply grow. And sixth one is think and write in your own words. First question is, what living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer is, living things that can cause harm to one another are animals, humans, elephants of nature, insects, and aquatic animals. Second question is, why are trees called harmless? Answer is because they do not harm anyone. They help other living beings in all the ways they can. Now come to the third question. Third question is, Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? And answer is, Halloween is celebrated during pre-fall season. This marks the end of harvest season and beginning of winter. They burn leaves because people believe when bonfires are lit, their flames and smoke have protective and cleansing powers and are also used for divination. Now come to the question number 4. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? Answer is that part of the day when sun set down, which is the beginning of the night, is referred to in the line. Leaves are the ones which hold the first ray of light and also the last ray of light from the sun. Now come to the 7 number question. Search for a short poem about trees in your mother tongue. Write it in your notebook and translate any 2 stanzas from the poem into English. सर्च फॉर वृक्षाविषयी तुमच्या मातृभाषेतील एक कविता निवडा व तिला लिहा. त्या कवितेतील 2 कडव्यांचे इंग्रजी भाषांतर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. मुक्त निवारा. असतो जर मी तरू तर मी पाहिले असते गाणारे एक पाखरू माझ्या फांदीवरती. मला भावली असती चपळ छोटी खारू खालीवर भोवताली धावणारी तुरुतुरू. मला भावला असता छावा अस्वलाचा करण्यास धावा आणि एक मोठी साळू आणि छोटा एक बेडूक. रतकिडा एक माझ्या निवारा नजरे आड असणारा माझ्या एका पानासाठी रात्रीचे गीत गाण्यासाठी. आणि एक उंदीर खाली माझ्या मुळाशी घरट्यात पोहडलेला असल्या आपल्या 6 पिलांशी. ही मराठी कविता आहे. आता त्याची इंग्लिशमध्ये काय केलं बा? इंग्लिश ट्रान्सलेशन ओपन हाऊस. इफ आय वेअर अ ट्री आय वुड वॉन्ट टू सी अ बर्ड विथ अ सॉन्ग ऑन अ ब्रांच ऑफ मी. आय वुड वॉन्ट अ क्विक लिटल स्क्विरल टू रन अप अँड डाऊन अँड राउंड फॉर फन. आय वुड वॉन्ट अ स्कर्ब of a bear to caw and a porcupine's big and a tree toad small. I would want a katydid or candid out of sight on one of my leaves to sing all the night. And down by my roots I would want a mouse with 6 little mouse lions in her house. 8 number. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor trying to stop him from having it cut down. Begin with the following. Means banyan tree, sir. Myself. Good morning, sir. I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down. And neighbor and answer बघा कसं होईल. मग याचं कन्व्हर्सेशन कसं तयार होईल. Neighbor, But no dear, this tree is of no use now. It is too old myself. No sir, begin being too old is more useful. It has been providing us oxygen for years and years. Neighbor, that's true, but there is no option for me myself. Think about birds who build nest in it, children like us who play under its shade, cattle who rest in its huge shade. Then, neighbor, you are right, dear bird, myself. Besides it has been maintaining balance of nature, controls pollutions in our area, neighbor. Yes, dear, you have opened my eyes. People have been worshipping it for years and years. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments myself. You can extend your constructions at the back and save this precious banyan tree. Neighbor, sure, my dear, now I understood its value. We will protect it myself. Oh, that's great. Thanks, sir, for being so kind. Language study. Now we can see language study. Into this language study, degrees of comparison of adjective. Read the following sentences. Yatin is stronger. Amit is stronger than Yatin. Praveen is the strongest of all. In sentence first, the adjective strong is in its simple form. It is called positive degree. In sentence second, the adjective stronger refer to the higher degree when there is a comparison of two nouns. It is called comparative degree. Means er is added to the basic adjective. In sentence third, the adjective strongest refer to the highest degree to comparison of one with more than two nouns. It is called superlative degree. est is added to the basic adjectives. Now fill in the gap in the table of degree of comparison. पॉझिटिव्ह, कंपॅरेटिव्ह, सुपरलेटिव्ह. बघा इथे याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला कसं जसं काइंडेस्ट दिलं आहे, काइंड, काइंडर, काइंडेस्ट. आपल्याला ह्या प्रकारे त्याचे बघा आन्सर कसे आहेत, कसे आहे बघा. काइंड, काइंडर, काइंडेस्ट. हेल्दी, हेल्दियर, हेल्दिएस्ट. नियर, नियरर, नियरेस्ट. फाइन, फाइनर, फाइनेस्ट. अर्ली, अर्लियर, अर्लिएस्ट. स्मॉल, स्मॉलर, स्मॉलेस्ट. फास्ट, फास्टर, फास्टेस्ट. हाय, हायर, हायेस्ट. अशा प्रकारे त्याचे आपल्याला कम्प्लीट करता येतील. बघा आता बघायचं आपल्याला ॲडजेक्टिव्ह विच हॅव मोर दॅन 2 syllables, long words. Take more and most before them to form comparative and superlative degree. For example, successful, positive degree. More successful, comparative degree. Most successful, superlative degree. Now give the comparative and superlative form of ancient, special, significant, advanced and accurate. Now answer is ancient, ancient, more ancient, most ancient. Special, more special, most special. Significant, more significant, most significant. Advanced, more advanced, most advanced. Accurate, more accurate, most accurate. Like that. Third one is When in a line of a poem human characteristics are given to something non-human, the figure of speech used is personification. For example, humming trees, a running river, smiling flowers. Find the examples of personification from the poem. First is trees are the kindest thing. Second example is trees do not harm. Third example is holding light. Fourth example is moon float. Fifth example is touching the beams. Now come to the appreciation of the poem. First point is name of the poem is trees are the kindest thing I know. Poet Harry Bain. Stanzas. The poem has 8 stanzas. Each stanza has 2 lines. Rhyming scheme AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF, GG, HH. Figure of speech, personification and alliteration. Means appreciation of the poem is written by पुढील रिकाम्या जागा भरून पहा. या कवितेचे आपले रसग्रहण करायचं कसं. द टायटल ऑफ द पोएम इज ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग आय नो. द पोएम इज रिटन बाय हेनरी बेन. द पोएम हैज 8 stanzas. Each stanza has 2 lines. Fourth one is the lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and second. Fifth point is the poet compares trees with things he knows. Sixth is and they are the words repeated in the poem. Seventh point is the line I shall always remember is trees are the kindest things I know. These are the appreciation of the poem.